Hey guys, hope you guys are well. Guys, I'm going to be looking at how to create a Fiverr gig image in Canva. Uh, so without further ado, I'll just show you on screen like one of my gig images. You can see because obviously what I do is I have an Amazon business, so I created Amazon gig images which I could use. And you can see, there's a lot of few elements. You got me there, you got the background, you got Amazon, you got the word, and you got the writing there and the writing there. Now, if you're starting out on Canva and you haven't used it much, then I'm going to show you a really great tip where you can actually, literally use some templates. So look, you can see that there's some cool templates that actually you'll find if you go to Fiverr gigs. You'll see that loads of people have got these actually. Not loads of people, but you can see them there. Now what you do is, and there's so many different gigs and hundreds of these images. So, you can always customize it yourself and design it yourself. But look, without further ado, let me just show you a very quick way of doing it. So if I just click on one of these templates, there's so many templates, guys. If you just like scroll all the way down, look, it's just endless templates. So choose something that you like, you're comfortable with, and then just click it. I've just clicked it from the side here, and then you've got me here. So, you can just imagine if this is your gig, depends what you want to do. Let's say your service is Google Ads. That's what you do. You're a Google Ads manager. Now, what I've just done is I've just typed in Google Ads. Now you can reduce the size. I've just typed in and then I'm going to decrease the size of that so you can sort of fit it in a nice place. Google Ads Pro tips. Let me help you get, you could just say something like, let me help you get sales. Sales. Oops, sorry. Made a capital sales, right? That's all you need. Look, literally, this is 2 minutes, guys. You don't need to subscribe because you've got a Fiverr gig. You might want to put images, so you might put, I don't know, Google Ads. Let's see if they got it here on the system. Okay. Oop, there you go. Logo for Google Ads is there. Got it here. Right? If you wanna, obviously you're gonna change that image. If you wanna put your image, that's fair enough. I'm gonna go to my uploads, and let's say I've got, let's say I've got images on. Of course, I've got images of myself. I use this all the time. So let me just go to my images. Okay, I'm just gonna put my image there. Actually, not that one. Let me use this one. Right? Well, maybe. I don't know if this one works actually. Let me get rid of the image that's there. I got this image here. Let me edit. Let me get rid of the background. Look, background remover is really cool. This is so quick as well. Remove the background. Takes a few seconds. There you go. There I am. There it is. Make it a little bit bigger. Google Ads Pro tip. There you go. Now you can change this around, change the colors. If you don't like it, you can get rid of it. You can do it in white. You can do it in anything you like, and then you can go back and change. Just undo if you want. But let's say this is it. That's all you need to do, guys. That's all it is. It really is that quick. You don't have to spend that long doing it. Honestly, it's so easy and it's so quick to do, and it really, really does not take any time to do it, guys. It really doesn't. So, pro tip, as it says, pro tip, if you go to you can go to elements, or you go templates. Let's just go up templates. Let's see if we do Fiverr. No, it won't come up as Fiverr. But you do thumbnail. Thumbnail. Yeah, there you go, thumbnail. Because that's what you need, is a thumbnail for Fiverr, right? And there you go, you got loads and loads of different types, and you just customize it as I've just done. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found any value in this. And like I said, guys, there's a Canva free trial which I've got in the description. So if you're interested in trying out Canva and you haven't tried it out before and you just want to try it out for free, then please hit the link in the description and have a go. It really is an amazing tool. Guys, take care and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. See you soon.